A very important thing is sometimes few of the students are there who feel that they can do well in paper 1 because it's reading, maths, logic, so they are able to qualify that section, but they are actually weak in their own paper, their own subject. Now what should be done in this case? First very important thing is take up the syllabus. Now as per the syllabus, identify which all topics you have covered in your bachelor's and the master's. From many universities, we have seen that only 5 of the 10 units of your syllabus gets covered in your bachelor's or your master's curriculum. In that case, people of course feel that they are not able to score well for their paper 2 because 50% of the syllabus they are not even aware about. Now, what is the best case in that scenario? The best case is first, cover the complete syllabus at least once. Once you have completed your entire syllabus, identify the topics where you actually scored low. Now, where you scored low, those would be the topics. Identify it, whether they were the topics which you haven't studied, which you are not able to understand, which you feel difficult. So try to categorize the questions that you are not able to solve. Now, once you have categorized those questions into a broad range, let's say there are 10 questions which you haven't studied. So identify this section belongs to possibly environmental economics in economics. So go and study good references from environmental economics, cover that topic in totality. Now identify the other set of questions that you were not able to solve. Let's say those you were not able to conceptually understand, those were the questions from econometrics or mathematical economics. In that case, go through the lectures, go through the complete sequence and understand each and every line of the lecture. Now, there could be another section which could be applicative. Let's say that belongs to research. Now, students might feel that I am able to understand the basics of research. When I am given practical questions on research, I am unable to find to which domain would it apply or to which kind of research would this question belong or what test should be applied, what statistical method should be applied in that case. Now, this is a kind of question that would come only and only with practice. So, solve past year papers, solve model questions. More you solve, more you practice, the better strategy you have to actually appear for your examination. So this is one of the tips that we have given, and of course for personalized help and personalized guidance, feel free to connect back on the number below. Thanks for joining in. Wish you all the best. Do subscribe.